Minister wa ugitiri Aden Duale ekinyitie itura-ini ria Goma bũrũri-inĩ wa DRC kuria acereire jeshi cia Kenya iria iraiga thayo mwena wa irathiro wa bũrũri wa Congo kugerera jeshi cia ngwatanĩro ya mabũrũri ma irathiro wa Afrika. Na gũkũ Goma mĩhang'o ya mũthenya ikionekana guthie na mbere kuona riu kwina thayo ũngĩringithania na matukũ ma hau kabere mbere ya jeshi ya Kenya gukinya Goma. Duale agitariria ati mĩhang'o ya jeshi ino ni hotete gucokia thayo.
And we have seen the achievement of the aircraft from opening up the main supply routes, reducing civilian casualties, opening up of the humanitarian corridors, and now they are at the stage of what is called pre-cantonment.
Minister uyu wa ugitiri oho ni acerete mwena wa Beni gicigo-ini gia gatagati gia bũrũri ucio kuria jeshi ya Kenya rungu rwa ngwatanĩro ya mabũrũri UN iraiga thayo. Na gũkũ Duale hamwe na munini wa munene wa jeshi gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ John Mwangi makiuga Kenya no iguthie na mbere gutuma jeshi ciayo nja ya bũrũri kuiga thayo.
We are leaders in East Africa, not only in the military, but we are leaders in the economy, you know. And even here, a stable DRC is good for Kenya. You have seen Kenyan banks, you have seen Equity Bank, you have seen KCB buying one of the biggest banks, you have seen Kenyan main oil companies doing business here. You have seen even the general manager of Serena Hotel is a Kenyan.
We need to also, diversify the products that we put into the peace support field, peace support area, in the sense that we need to also now project specialized capabilities. And there's a lot of opportunities in that. You can do air support, you can do medical support, you can even do post-conflict reconstruction. And that is an investment that the minister and the government is making.
No mihango ya jeshi cia Kenya Congo to ya kuiga thayo kuona ni manatwarithia na mbere mĩhang'o ya guthomithia aruna a Congo. Bũrũri wa Kenya na Congo kugerera Minister Duale na murunawe Sean Pierre Bemba magikiranira ngirimiti ya Kenya guteithĩrĩria jeshi ya Congo na githomo niguo mahote kuiga thayo uyu uri kuo riu.
Instruments shall provide an operating framework to guide the Kenya Military Assistance Training Team in partnership with their FRDC colleagues by optimizing our mutual defense capabilities in the short, medium, and long term for mutual benefit.
The time when the DRC is facing insecurity and terrorism, it is counting on sincere cooperation with friendly countries because this situation affects the whole region.
Duale oho akiuga ati bũrũri wa Kenya ta bũrũri wonete matunda ma gukorwo na thayo ni uguthie na mbere gutigirira ati mabũrũri maria turiganetie mari na thayo. O thutha wa minister wa ugitiri Congo kuga ta bũrũri ni marathenio ni bũrũri umwe mariganetie.
In this respect, we invite Kenya as a friendly country to sincerely support the Democratic Republic of Congo in the crisis of aggression to which it has fallen victim by the country of Rwanda.
Kenya, we are an anchor state, so we must make sure that all the brothers in our region, we all reach a consensus for peace and stability.
Minister aya makigia mweke wa kuona maria jeshi ya bũrũri wa Congo ihotete guthoma rungu rwa arunao a bũrũri wa Kenya. Jeshi 890 a bũrũri wa Congo makihituka thutha wa kurikia githomo kiria maramukira kuma arunao a bũrũri wa Kenya.
Our training is very robust. Our training reflects the value system of KDF. Our training instills a lot of discipline and professionalism. So all over the world where we go for training, we want to export our doctrine and our training.
And what we have had from people who are outside of our circles is that the Kenyan troops are doing extremely well in terms of, projecting the image of the country and being able to implement the mandate for which Kenyans have deployed them here. There's nothing as good as that. And I think that
Duale icera-inĩ rĩu oho nĩagathĩrĩirie ikinya rĩa bunge ya bũrũri wa Kenya kũhetũkia watho wa ũramati wa mbeca cia kũiga thayũ, akiuga bũrũri nĩ ũkũgunĩka makĩria kumana na mĩhang'o ya jeshi ya Kenya kũiga thayũ mabũrũri-inĩ matiganĩte thĩinĩ wa thĩ.
So all the reimbursement we shall get from UN agency on peacekeeping because of the equipment we are providing will be reimbursed directly to the defense headquarters. So we will keep on using those resources to improve on the modernization of KDF, to improve on the welfare of our officers and buy more equipment, and it will project and give us a better posture.
Jeshi cia bũrũri wa Kenya gũkorwo gũkũ Congo nĩ gũteithĩrĩirie kũrehe thayũ, na rĩu thutha wa gwĩkĩranĩra ngirimiti ya jeshi cia Kenya gũteithĩrĩria cia gũkũ na gĩthomo, thayũ ũcio wahota kũgacĩra makĩria. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV ndĩ bũrũri-inĩ wa Democratic Republic of Congo, niĩ njĩtagwo Martin Mũnene.